welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. This one is for the August Ipsy Glam Bag, so we are going to dive right in. I know I had a bunch of add-ons in this one, so there's a lot of stuff here. Not even all of it fit in the bag itself, so I'm going to fish out the things that didn't fit in there first and show you those. So first thing we've got, it's folded over on itself, is by Mindtan Body Skin Exfoliating Coffee Scrub, which is funny because I think I have a different coffee scrub from a different brand from Ipsy, but I still have yet to use it too. This one feels a lot finer. It's also smaller. So, exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. An exfoliator for softer, smoother, more luminous skin. Gently smooth away skin imperfections and improve the overall appearance of your skin over time by adding this coffee scrub to your regular shower routine. Let's see here. Let's get smooth. Exfoliate and revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Buff on freshly ground coffee. That sounds so weird. Freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target imperfections such as dry, flaky skin, uneven skin tone, breakouts, and stretch marks. Stretch marks too, huh? Really? Enriched with ultra-hydrating sweet almond oil and macadamia oil, your skin will be left feeling oh so buttery soft, smooth, and glowing. Use in the shower on a regular basis and you will up your babe factor in no time. Directions: hop in the shower and buff this revitalizing scrub in circular motions over your entire body. Pay special attention to dry or problem areas. Leave to dry for around 5 minutes, then wash it all away. Huh. Okay. That sounds so interesting, though. So I have that. And here I've got a couple of sheet masks. Let's open the bag. Come on. This little drawstring is being a butt. Why won't it open? Seriously, though. I'm just gonna snip it because screw this. I'm battling too much with it. It's not worth it. No more drawstring for you. Next. Alright. So there's 2 in there, which I'm happy about. They're by the brand Feel, which I got that rose mask from. So I love it. My mom got the pumpkin scrub from them, and I think the squalane oil. So this is the Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask, which is a powerful detoxifier and pore minimizer, and it's 2 of the same one. Let's see here. Sometimes in life we carry around unnecessary baggage. You know, unhelpful thoughts, guilt, the should-haves and could-haves, or even jealousy. It can take its toll on us and dull our inner light. Learning the art of letting go is tough, but bit by bit we realize that the lighter our thoughts, the lighter we feel, the brighter we shine. What if we could feel brilliant every day? Amazing, right? Feel and look your best. Active charcoal deeply purifies and detoxifies the pores, removes oil, reduces blemishes, and clears clogged pores. Hyaluronic acid to tone the skin. Mask made of non-woven bamboo fiber. How to use. Use weekly to replace salon facial treatment. Cleanse skin and dry. Apply facial mask to skin and leave on for at least 30 minutes to allow serum to deeply penetrate and detoxify skin. Remove the mask and rub remaining serum into the skin. Okay. I like how this one's not like an exact amount of time. It's like at least 30 minutes. Like, they level with us. That some of us are like, yeah, I know what it says, but you know we're gonna leave it on at least a little longer than it says. I mean, at least they can work with us on that. So there's those. I'm gonna put them in the mask box right here. Because yes, I have one. Then our bag we got is so pretty and holographic and 80s, and I love it. This looks like my childhood, guys. I think I actually had a pencil bag for school in the 90s that looked a lot like this. Ooh, that is actually a hefty little zipper pull. I'm not sure why it's so heavy, but it's heavy. Okay, so in here, by Dewy Tree, we have the Miracle Pore Minimizing Serum for tightening pore care. No other info given. Just a little bitty thing with the dropper. Whoopsies. But I mean, for as much as that doesn't look like a ton, I can guarantee there is a lot of uses in this dinky little thing of serum. So I cannot complain. At one point in time, I might have, because I would have been dumb and not comprehended how serum works. Now that I know how it works and have fallen in love with serum, yes, I can appreciate it fully now. Then we've got this, I'm not sure if it's lip gloss or lipstick, Color Rich Lip Gloss by Real Her. It says Be Limitless on one side, in the color Be Limitless. Or no, Be Limitless I guess is the product line. The color is just mauve. Well, okay then. Can't complain with that. How does it smell? It literally doesn't have a smell, like, at all. Okay. So, there's that. That's odd when they have, like, literally 0 scent, like, not even a light one, but nothing. Doesn't even smell like chemicals, it just smells like nothing. I'm like, oh. Well, I mean, that's kind of good, because it's not distracting that way. I've also got the Kiss and Smink Lip Crayon Pen in Marietta's, which I guess looks like that. Which, this makes me think of two things. There's that movie Naughty Marietta that was from, like, I think the 40s or 50s, and then Kiss and Smink makes me think of that outtake from the Beatles anthology of Rocky Raccoon, where Paul mistakenly says sminking of gin. It literally has smink in the name, guys! Smink is apparently a thing! It's a thing! Anyway. So there's that. I've got this, probably the tiniest sample of lip balm ever. The Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm Watermelon Balm with Natural Tint. This is 5 milliliters, which doesn't seem like much. Then again, being a liquid, it's probably more than it looks like, but I mean, this to me seems really teeny tiny, because I'm used to at least sample sizes being like this big anyway. Like, bare minimum, and even this seems small, but we'll see how it is. Maybe I'll actually have a finish on one for once, you never know. Crazier things have happened. Oh yes, I have more from Pixie by Petra. I love them, they're my bae. Okay, so this is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in, where's our color? Matte Mulberry, which, here you can see the color kind of sort of in there. It's like mostly brown with a slight hint of plum to it. It's an interesting color. I've also got the itty-bittiest little sample of eye cream ever. This is by Glam Glow, and it's their Bright Eyes eye cream. Illuminating Anti-Fatigue eye cream. I'm sorry. Look at the star on top. Oh my god. Makes me think of both Ringo and Bowie at the same time. So yeah. Doesn't look like much, but I mean, for an eye cream, a teeny tiny bit goes a long way, and it's filled pretty much to the brim, so I can't complain. I can't complain. We've also got, we're getting near the end of this one, the Oriza Beauty Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow. It's the Camo Shimmer palette. And here is the colors in it, which are really pretty. There's only one matte one and the rest are shimmery, but look how perfect this is for fall. That is hard to tell on camera, at least going by the viewfinder. That is a shimmery olive forest green, but we've also got like this pumpkin-y orange, kind of a mid-range shimmery brown, and then I don't know what color you'd call this matte brown up here. Like a redwood almost? Something like that. Ow, I pinched my finger in it, and I barely touched my finger to the gold in there, but it looks like it's crazy pigmented. I barely feather tapped it and got that much pigment, so that will be fun to wear if that's anything to go by. Is this the last thing in here? Oh yeah, I probably should have read the little carded thing. Oops. Hashtag Ipsy Future You. The future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, from achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. A whole new world of beauty valued at $50 plus is in your hands. Where will you begin? But it doesn't give us the info on the products anymore. It just has little generalized beauty tips now. which annoys me. I liked having the info on each product and having the value of each one right here, widely available. So, anyways, the last thing in here is the one I'm the most excited about. This is the Bubble Tea Bath & Body Peach Iced Tea Body Cream. I like how it says next to it, "Don't drink me." It's got aloe vera extract in it. With the sweet scent of juicy peaches and all the refreshment of an iced tea, this fresh and fruity body lotion is a summer favorite. Containing aloe vera and tea extracts, this mini body cream will soothe and nourish skin in no time. It's suitable for vegans. Direction: smooth lotion across skin for instant hydration. Store out of direct sunlight. Caution: this product is for external use only. Use, rinse, recycle for the tube when you're done. Got all their social medias and their website. I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. This reminds me of, oh, what peach scent from Bath & Body Works was it? I think it might have been Get Happy that smelled like this one. Peach Sangria. I think that's it. That may be why I like this one so much. So, anyways, that's what I got in my normal Ipsy Glam bag for August of 2020. I still have the Glam Bag Plus, which is the first one, the drawstring bags instead of the boxes. So that's new. But anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to become an Ipsy member yourself, I've included my referral code down below. I always do, I just usually forget to mention it. So there's that. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. What did you guys get in your Ipsy bags this month? Let me know that, and anything else down below that you feel like leaving me. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.